How to change phone number in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to change a number in Snapchat in few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Open up your Snapchat and then on the top left you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it and tap on the gear icon on the top right to access your settings. Now, once you're in your settings, you'll see your mobile number option right there. Tap on it and then just remove the current phone number and enter your new mobile number. Make sure you select the new correct country code. And then what you need to do is just tap on verify. And you'll need to verify by typing in the code sent to your phone through SMS. And now your phone number will be changed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.